Hello everyone and welcome to my channel. I have been contemplating ways to enhance my content and I believe it will be beneficial to discuss binary options and provide beginners with useful information. Today's video will cover key points about binary options, how to trade with them, and essential information for beginners. Let's get started. So in today's mission, the combination of alligator and RSI will help me a lot, and of course you guys to represent you some good situations with good profit. So what can I say? First pair, and I'm looking at, you know what, the bulls movement. Yep, right now in the last like 30 minutes the price is growing, and as you see, RSI is showing us that the line is a little bit under the level of 70, but it's okay because you see alligator lines are also going not really in a certain way. They are going up or down. What can I say? Not really a safe place to trade. And you know what? Let me go to the second currency pair. And while I'm searching for more entry points, let me tell you about binary options. They are a short-term limited risk contracts. So on Cortex, you can trade binary options with different strike prices based on the possible probability of the outcome. Learn how to trade binary options and on the ways you can use these contracts in your trading plan. Binary options trading is a process, and the traders who are successful have their own plans and strategies. This process can be broken down into 5 key stages. It's important to follow each one carefully if you're going to become a successful binary options trader. So guys, 5 points, and I'm really looking forward to talk about it. So let me change my investment box, of course, to all in. I think will be a good start for me, and yeah, let me go with the greens. Let's go. So guys, first win, and yeah, it was kind of pretty easy for me by looking only in one indicator. You see that the green line is above the yellow and the red lines, and you see there's a lot of intersections right over there. So those were good signals for me. So let's go to the next currency pair. So the next point is know the market trends. Binary options trading is a simple process of choosing a strike based on a yes or no question. Will this market be above this price at this time? If you think yes, you buy. If you think no, you sell. In the core text, it is buttons up or down. That's the easy part. However, you need to go into your trading with market knowledge and clear predictions. Otherwise, how can you answer that simple question? Every trader has their own opinions and predictions based on their perceptions of what's already happened, what's coming up, and what they think means for the future market movements. That's because, guys, these kind of traders like me exist on different platforms just to help you and give you more useful information. And if you need like even more information, you can go to my Telegram channel. The link will be down below. I also share my free signals just for you guys. So I see it's pretty sleepy situation right now over here because the RSI is in the middle of the corridor. So I think it's time to go to the next currency pair. Let's see. Let me change my investment box to $90, and I will go with the greens. So guys, it was pretty easy too because you saw that the RSI line was pretty close with the level of 70. And yeah, I predicted that the price will go a little bit up. And you know what? I was just lucky enough to make a good decision right over there. Because you see, right now the situation is going a little bit down after this dodgy green candle. So Let's first go to the first currency pair. We are not wasting any time. Let's see the whole situation. And while I'm seeing good entry points, I will talk about the second point. Pick the market you want to trade. Once you know your markets, you are ready to pick the ones you want to trade. These will depend on a whole host of factors, including contract duration, choosing right level, personal interest. Also in Cortex, you have a choice of different market stocks, currency pairs, commodities. You will look them here when you push this plus button. You will see all options that you can use. I use currencies, of course, because for me that's easier. And for me, it has more opportunities to make money. So right now, I don't really think I will trade right away here because it is, again, a pretty sleepy situation. So I will leave it and go to the second currency pair. Let me see, bulls movements right over here. Right now, the situation is pretty interesting because it is going to change anyway. Maybe it will go up or down. It will change really rapidly. So let's change our investment box. So while I'm waiting a little bit with $36, and let's go check this out with greens. Guys, profit again. I'm here with $70 in my account, and you see, as I said, the situation is changing. It's changing really rapidly. After 1 minute situation, it's pretty uncertain, but you see right now it is pretty big form of the price that is going up. So I think it's time to go to the next currency pair and wait a little bit for it to change in this situation. So let's go. The third point would be to select a strike price and expiration. Selecting a strike price can be one of the most challenging aspects of trading money options when you are starting out. The contracts themselves are structured very simply, but that doesn't mean the trading process is easy. You need a plan, a strategy, and prediction. If you need examples or more information, you can go to my Telegram channel. Of course, guys, where I share my free signals. And just for my subscribers, make sure you subscribe to my Telegram channel, and the link will be left below. So what can I say? Again, the situation is not really changed from our last visit. The situation is pretty flat also. The RSI line is in the middle of the corridor. I'm not really sure about this situation because I really want to show you guys more clear profits today. So let's go to the next currency pair and see what I can do there. Let me see the whole kind of view. You know what? Let me change my investment box with $69 and let me go with the reds. Nice profit again. And the signal for this trade was RSI line, because when I started the trade, the line was touching the level of 70. And right now it is just kind of going down. And you see also alligator is starting to work because you see the lines are in really uncertain way. They are moving not really certainly up and down. So yeah, I think the situation will change. But it was pretty risky. But it was a good example of how you can predict the situation. So let's go to the next currency pair to the first one. And yep. Place your trade would be the fourth point. You can click between the buy and sell buttons and choose whether you are going to place a limit order or a market order. Toggle between good and entry points and explore your options. You will clearly see your maximum potential profit or loss calculated underneath. And that's what I will do right now. Guys, let me change my investment box to $129. And let's check this out with the greens. It's a pretty good profit. And I'm here with $200 already. And yeah, and I saw that the green line of alligator is under yellow and the red one. And it was a good sign for me to make some decision for this situation. And also RSI showed me that the price will go a little bit up, and I just trusted in the moment, and that's because I'm here with my good profit. Let's go to the second pair and see what I can do more. So the last point would be to wait for expiration or close out your trade early. If you placed a market order in a liquid market, it should be filled immediately and will show up in the positions window at the bottom of your screen. If you are placed a limit order, you may need to wait and see if this is filled. In this case, it will show in the orders window. It is filled at the price you have selected. It will move into the positions place. From here, you'll be able to monitor your trade until expiration. Guys, sometimes I do this, and it is kind of mostly all the times. And today, I think you will see that I'm using this kind of strategy again. And yeah, the situation changed a little bit. I just waited for it, and you see, after these 3 green candles, it goes to reds. And right now the situation, I think, will be the same. What are your thoughts? Let me know in the comments section what you think. Let me see the whole situation. I want to see more history about it. So it was really slow, but bulls movements, not all the time, but at least 2 hours. Yeah, 2 hours. So let's zoom in on our current situation and change. Of course, my investment box with $220. So what can I say more? Let me check the situation with reds. So guys, I'm in a profit, and it was pretty risky because you see, I predicted that it would be 2 red candles, but I was just in time again, guys. And I was pretty lucky. And of course, the combination of indicators helped me a lot in this kind of situation. Also, you see, you can trust my combination of indicators, guys. Yep, it was pretty cool. Let's go to the next currency pair. What can I say? Let me see the whole kind of graphic boost situation right over here in the last 40 minutes, maybe an hour. I can see a hammer right now, and the alligator is showing me that the red line is above the rest of the lines. And you see the RSI is going to touch, or maybe not, because you see right now the line is going a little bit up, but I don't really know. So first of all, let me change my investment box, $430, and I don't really know. Let me see the whole graphic again. Maybe I will see more signals from the history and wait a little bit for changing of signals in indicators. What they will show me, well, let me check the situation with reds. So guys, I'm in a profit again, and this time the situation is about going with a trend. I just, guys, went with the trend, and the whole trend was about the bulls movement. And yeah, it was a good signal for me, and it was a good signal from alligator from the red line. And also RSI helped me to make my last decision. So pretty cool. Let me go to the last currency pair with 82% of payout. Really cool. Let me change my investment box first of all with $760, and situation is pretty cool, guys. So let me check it with call option. So guys, I'm in the profit with 1,000 already. I think it was a pretty clear situation, because you see, after this red candlestick, the situation would change in my opinion. And yeah, right now it is what it is. So let's go to the next, to the last currency pair, I think, yeah, with 72% of payout. And you know what? I would change my investment already with $1,400. And let me see. Alligator is showing me that all the three lines are going up a little bit down, but the end of the lines are really uncertain because you see, they are in a shaking. So the RSI line is showing me that it is going to touch the level of 30. And yeah, what can I say more? I don't really know. Let me see the whole situation. Pretty uneasy situation for me, but I really want to try myself. So let's go check this out with threads. So guys, I think it was a pretty cool session. I'm here with $2,500. And if you want to trade like me, you want to know more about binary, you want to make more money, you can go to my Telegram channel where I share free signals and useful information about the trading just for you. You can also subscribe to my YouTube channel, leave your comments there, share it with your friends. There I will share practical sessions, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Goodbye.